Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales strategies with WooCommerce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve your sales strategies with WooCommerce, start by assessing your current sales performance. Identify key metrics, such as conversion rates and average order value. Analyze the data to spot any trends or areas for improvement. Next, consider your target audience. Develop detailed customer personas to understand their needs and preferences. Research your competition to see what strategies they are employing. Once you have a clear understanding of your market, it's time to enhance your online store. Begin by optimizing your product pages. Use high-quality images and detailed descriptions to attract potential buyers. Incorporate customer reviews to build trust and credibility. Next, streamline the checkout process. Eliminate unnecessary steps to minimize cart abandonment. Consider offering guest checkout options for a quicker experience. Implement various payment gateways to cater to different customer preferences. After streamlining, focus on pricing strategies. Experiment with discounts, promotions, and bundling products to increase sales. Utilize WooCommerce built-in features to set up coupons and special offers. Now, let's enhance your marketing efforts. Start by leveraging email marketing to reach out to past customers. Create targeted campaigns with personalized recommendations based on previous purchases. Next, engage in social media marketing to widen your reach. Share valuable content and entice users with exclusive offers. Consider using paid advertising for immediate results. Use Google Ads and social media advertising to promote products effectively. Regularly track your marketing campaigns to identify what works best. After optimizing your marketing strategy, focus on customer engagement. Implement live chat support to assist shoppers in real time. Encourage feedback through surveys and reviews to improve services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.